Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to download and install Clash of Clans on your Android device. First of all, make sure that your Android device is connected to a stable internet and then launch open your Google Play Store. Now, click on the search button at the very bottom of the screen and in the search bar that pops up at the top, type in Clash of Clans. Look for the Clash of Clans application from Supercell and then tap on the install button to start the download process. Now wait for the app to install, which will take several minutes depending upon your internet speed. The download will automatically start and the app will be installed on your Android device. Wait until it finishes installing, and once it's done, click on play to start playing the game. And that's how you can easily download and install Clash of Clans on your Android device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.